Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to use the combined index and match functions in Excel. This powerful combination helps you perform advanced lookups and data analysis with precision. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to use the index and match functions together, provide sample data and charts, and demonstrate practical uses. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics of the index and match functions. The index function in Excel is used to return the value of a cell within a specified range based on a given row and column number. Here's a detailed breakdown of its syntax. Array. This is the range of cells or array of values from which you want to retrieve a value. It can be a single column, a single row, or a two-dimensional range of cells. Row_number. This specifies the row number within the array from which to retrieve a value. If the array is a single row, this parameter is optional. Column_number. This specifies the column number within the array from which to retrieve a value. If the array is a single column, this parameter is optional. If both row number and column number are provided, the function returns the value at the intersection of the specified row and column. The match function in Excel is used to find the relative position of a value within a specified range. It is often used in conjunction with the index function to perform advanced lookups. Lookup value. The value you want to search for in the lookup array. This can be a number, text, logical value, or a cell reference. Lookup array. The range of cells that contains the value you are searching for. This is typically a single row or a single column. Match type. Optional. This specifies how Excel matches the lookup value with values in the lookup array. The options are 1. Default. Finds the largest value less than or equal to lookup value. The lookup array must be sorted in ascending order. 0. Finds the first value exactly equal to lookup value. The lookup array can be in any order. -1. Finds the smallest value greater than or equal to lookup value. The lookup array must be sorted in descending order. Now, let's look at our example where we use the combined index and match functions. We have a table of sales data with columns for product ID, product name, and price. We want to find the price of a product based on its product name. Suppose we want to find the price of widget C. We'll use the index and match functions together to do this. In cell E2, we'll enter our formula using the index and match functions. Start by typing =index. First, we need to specify the array that contains the values we want to return. In this case, it's the price column. So, we type CC, comma. Next, we use the match function to find the row number of widget C. Start by typing match. Now, we need to specify the lookup value. In this case, it's widget C. So, we type widget C inside quotation marks followed by a comma. Next, we specify the lookup array, which is the product name column. So, we type B. Finally, we need to add the match type. We'll use 0 for an exact match. So, we type 0 and close the parentheses for the match function. Close the parentheses for the index function. Press Enter, and Excel will return the price of widget C, which is $35. The complete formula used in cell E2 is displayed at the bottom of the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the combined index and match functions to find the price of a product based on its product name. Whether you're looking up prices, names, or any other data, index and match can simplify your data analysis. That's it for today's tutorial on the combined index and match functions in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.